Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimberman from Kimberman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a model kit from P-Bandai, which came from the manga Mecha series, Gundam Seed Destiny Astray. So this is, to be honest, I'm not a fan of Gundam Seed, and I didn't watch any episode of this, and of course even the manga I'm not familiar with the story. As a matter of fact, it's a hype nowadays with regards to the movie Gundam Seed Freedom, but I'm not interested in watching the movie since I didn't even watch the first episode of Gundam Seed. So now, you may ask me why I'm buying kits if I didn't watch any single episode of Seed. It's because I love collecting. I love collecting kits, any model kits. So part of my collection now is some Gundam Seed Mecha models, and this is none other than, I include this P-Bandai Gundam Seed or Gundam ASTRAY Outframe P. So again, P-Bandai boxes are very boring box. You can see only a plain black and white color of this mecha here with a camera. As I research about this model, it has really a camera because the pilot is a journalist based on the manga. So let's check this kit out and let's see what's this Outframe, Astray Outframe D is all about. So again, the box art of P-Bandai kits are very boring. You can only see a black and white color of the kit. So this is the Astray Outframe D building his camera, because as I research about this, the pilot is a journalist, as I said. So if we open the box here, you can see the instruction manual, and the instruction manual has the same picture on the box art, except it's colored. So this one is very nice. It's the unit wielding his camera on the outer space. I think he's on an asteroid. There's the big moon here, or the Earth, I think. So I'm very disappointed with this kit because there are too many parts that are not included with this kit. So it's like wasting my money to buy a junk plastic. So again, Bandai scammed me here. So it's these pieces here are not usable, but I'm planning to still keep these parts. Maybe I can use this if I do some modification or make some modified kits someday if I'm not lazy. So again, the color here is black and white, the usual Bandai printout for manuals. And there we don't have any color pictures here aside from, or except from this one, where it's instructed, or we are guided on how to put the decals on this kit. But honestly, I don't like applying decals on my kit because I'm lazy to do so. And so let's review the parts here. We have here multicolored parts, and there are blue, yellow, and black packages here. We have white, red, and polycaps. The standard polycaps for seed kits. which is the PC-130. So to be honest, I'm using the the spare polycaps from the other seed kits whenever I build seed kits. And we have here blue parts, gray parts, white parts. I'm not excited to build this because I saw some of the parts that are not included, and they are so many. I feel like I'm wasting my money here because I bought this kit about 3,800 pesos, so I feel like I'm being scammed again by Bandai. So there it is, blue and gray parts or black parts for the inner frame. There we have your inner frame parts, beam saber parts here. We have again blue parts, white parts for the armor pieces, and inner frame parts there. And of course, we have here an action-based stand with the decals included, which is very nice. But honestly, I don't like to apply this water slide because it feels like you will put this press because he is on media. Anyway, let's check the runners out. So again, before we build the kit, let's have a quick runner review. But before we go to the quick runner review, I discovered that this seller bought this kit from Goody Good Deals. So Goody Good Deals is one of the best shop in the Shopee Ph or Shopee platform Philippines, here in the Philippines, of course. So Goody Good Deals, I bought twice from their shop, but honestly speaking, I find Goody Good Deals somehow overpriced because I can find kits from other store that are much cheaper from Goody Good Deals. But if you like collecting kits aside from Gundams, for example, you like Modoroid or Kotobukiya or other Nenoroid stuff or other collectibles, you can find it in Goody Good Deals. To be honest, this is also good store. I recommend it, but honest comment here, they are somehow overpriced. That's why the seller sold me this kit with a profit. Very nice. Anyway, thank you for you, seller, because you sold it to me in an much overpriced price. That's why. Because you bought it from Goody Good Deals. Anyway, thank you. And so we go to the quick runner review. We have here gray runners for the these are foot parts, inner frame. So this is runner F. Okay. We have here white parts, which is runner G2 for the armor pieces, armor parts. We have yellow frames or yellow runner here, runner C2 for this yellow detailing parts. We have runner A2 for white, blue, and gray parts here. We have the manipulator sets here. So this is runner D. We have polycaps, the traditional polycap for seed kits, PC-130. We have runner G1 for the white frames here. We have metallic gray parts for runner H2. But unfortunately, I found the things here that are not included with the kit. Too bad. And we have here blue parts, clear parts, white parts, and these gray parts here for the inner frame. So this is runner A1. I find that the plastic are matted. Yep, let's just compare. So most plastic here are matted in structure. So I feel it's matted, not smooth or not so glossy, which is nice for a plastic. Then we have here I2 runner for the blue parts, another blue parts for this kit, I2 runners. Then we have runner E for this inner frame parts, but unfortunately this one it's not included. This one for the feet. Maybe I'll just keep this for some reservation parts. We have again runner H1 for the gray parts here, but sad to say these kits here or parts here are not included. These parts here, so bad. Feels like I wasted money with this kit. And finally we have here runner B for the inner frame parts and the camera gun here and the guns here. Okay, we have polycaps here, circular polycaps. I saw in the manual that we will only use 4 in this case. And we have red parts here, runner C1 for the V-fins and red parts here. And finally we have beam saber effect parts, the traditional beam saber effect parts, which is color pink. And finally we have stickers. I thought we don't have stickers here, but I saw some small amount, which is nice. We have here eye sticker, camera lens, the video camera lens here, which is silver, circular silver, and some color correcting parts. So again, let's build this Astray Outframe B. To be honest, I'm not a fan of Astray kits, but all I can say that this kit has a uniqueness on its own because of even though the color, of course, is the traditional protagonist color scheme, which is very boring to me nowadays, but still there's a uniqueness on this kit, which I believe. And one of the unique feature of this kit is the camera. This is the reason why I bought this kit. This is what made me bought this kit, this camera. It's a unique from a Gundam. Because most Gundam has sword, has guns, has cannons. But this one, it has what? Camera. Okay. Thank you for watching this and see you next time. Until I build this kit, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, and take care.